This autopilot CPA marketing strategy has actually made making money with CPA marketing quite easy, and I'm actually going to show you how you can actually do just that if you do stick until the end of this video and go on to making similar amount to how I actually did make right here. So watch this video to the end, learn the simple strategy, and actually use this right now to make money online, because with this you can actually make money with multiple CPA marketing offers. And with that being said, and no more delay of time, let's jump right ahead into today's video. But before we do, guys, if you are new to my channel, I create videos about CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and how to make money online with the use of some cool AI tools. If you do like such content, make sure you do leave the like button to this video, scroll through my channel, and actually do go on to checking out other cool videos that could be helpful to you in boosting your income online. So jumping right back into today's video, you want to come onto the platform CPA Grip, which is one of the best CPA marketing platform out there, and I basically prefer using this platform. Once you head onto CPA Grip, go on to clicking on register, and if you do that, you should be brought to a page such as this. What you want to do right now is to actually go on to filling out this form. You want to provide your first name, your last name. You could skip the company and website section, fill in the street address, the country which you do reside in, the city, and other sections which I do have this red asterisk sign. Once you do fill out that, agree to the terms of service by checking these boxes, and once you are done with that, click on register and go on to creating your account. Once your account has actually been created, you can go on to login into your account, and as you can see, I'm logged into mine. To actually get to this page, you want to come right here, click on this particular section where you want to just simply click on the offer tools section and select my offers. Once you do select that, you will be able to see offers right here that are actually available to you. So you can filter your offers to any demographic of your choice. Right now I'm using offers from the United States. You could select offers from any other demographic which you want to use right now. This is offers from the United Kingdom. So if you do keep on scrolling through, you'll be able to see some cool offers. And I basically do prefer selecting sweepstake offers, which are kind of giveaway offers, because that's what actually gets better conversions right now. And such offers should kind of be like the email and zip submit offers, because they are quite more easier to go on to promoting. So if I do come right here to this section, I'm just going to grab hold of this offer right here, which is actually for you to gain access to the Tesco gift card right now. And the Tesco gift card actually pays you about 500 euros Tesco gift card. You can see the payout of the offer is $1.71. It's an Apple iOS offer and also an email and zip submit offer. And guys, what you want to do is to copy this link, head on to this platform called tinyurl.com, and shorten that particular link right here. Paste in the link, click on shorten, and you do get a new link to this particular offer. So if I copy the link, I'm going to head onto this particular platform called Linktree, as I'm actually going to be going on to adding that particular link on my Linktree. So right here, I'm going to go on to creating a simple account on this particular platform. You can create an account for free, select any username of your choice, and create an account via this section right here. Once you do that and you do log into your account, as you can see, I'm logged into my account. I'm just going to go on to deleting this section right here, or to remove this particular link. So to add the link, I'm going to click on add link, paste in that particular link from tinyurl, click on add, and that will actually be added right here. Next, I'm going to go back to CPA Grip and copy the title to this offer. If I do copy the title, head back to Linktree and actually do go on to changing that right here. So once that has actually been changed, you can see that how it's going to look right here for people right now. So right now I can actually do go on to maybe putting in a bracket for the title Apple iOS device. This is actually to indicate that they are actually to use an Apple iOS device. So if I do this right now, I can head back to CPA Grip and go on to selecting another offer. And guys, if you do actually see that exact same offer right there, you can actually do select it. Maybe this one right now is actually for the desktop offers. So I'm going to just simply select this also, copy that, head on to tinyurl, shorten this new URL right now, and actually do go on to clicking on shorten, copy, and head back to Linktree to paste that right now. So So I'm going to click on add link also, and I'm going to go on to pasting that in right here. Click on add. So what I'm going to do right now is to actually come right here and copy this entire title. So once I copy the entire title, I'm going to head on to changing that for this section. But right here in the bracket, I'm going to make sure that that is actually for the desktop users. So once I do put in this right here for desktop users, you can actually do see how it looks like. This one is for Apple iOS devices, and this one is for desktop users. So if I do go back to CPA Grip and search for that same offer again, I should be able to see the one which is available for Android users. So once I copy this right now, you can see right here that this is actually for Android users. I'm going to copy the link, head onto tiny URL, and actually do go on to shortening that particular link. Once that has been shortened, I'm going to copy that, head back to Linktree, and also add in that particular link. So right now, if I do go on to changing the title, I'm going to change this particular section to Android. So once that is done, you can actually do see how cool this looks like. So you can actually head back to CPA Grip and select another kind of offer right now using this simple strategy. Maybe you can select this kind of iPhone 14 giveaway offer. You might be able to see some other cool types right now. You see right here, this one is actually for Android devices via this section. If you scroll through, you'll be able to see an iPhone 14 giveaway offer for Apple iOS devices right now. So maybe you might be able to see another one for the desktop devices. So don't simply use the same for this particular type of offers. Get them, actually add them to your link tree, and you can see how they are going to look right here. You could go on to changing the appearance via this section. Once you are done, click on share, copy the link, and head on to this platform right here called propellerads.com. And with this platform, guys, you do get to run some cool, amazing ads right now and get cool conversions to your CPA marketing offers. All you actually need to do is to sign up for free on this particular platform. If you do sign up, you're brought to this page. Go on to adding funds to your account by clicking on add funds, and fund your account via any one of these payment methods. So once you do fund your account, click on create campaign, and you should be brought to a page that will actually look similar to this. So right now, I'm just going to go on to giving it a simple title. So right now, you can see the title says Tesco gift card. I'm actually going to go on to selecting the push notification because this is one of the best ad formats you want to go on to using. I'm only going to use the classic push. Right here for the cost or pricing model, I'm going to select the cost per click and turn off the in page. Right here, I'm going to paste in the link right here to my Linktree page. Once I do paste that in right there, you want to select the traffic source, either the exclusive inventory or the partner traffic. I'm going to leave that on only exclusive inventory. You could leave all the user activity on. And right here for the country and bid section, make sure you do go to selecting the United Kingdom because that's the location to which we're actually promoting our offers to. So if I select that right here, you can see the cost per click price. You could actually do see the recommended, which is about $0.116, but for the maximum is $0.23. So I'm going to put in something slightly above the recommended, maybe $0.114 right here, or $15. This is actually quite okay. So right now you can also target your audience via cities or states. I'm going to leave that on cities. You want to start typing in the cities which you want to add. You could add cities targeting to reach people in certain cities. That is, if you want to just simply target specific cities, you want to put that in right here. But you can leave it as it is to target all cities. And if you do keep on scrolling through, you can get this advertising budget, put in the amount which you want to use to run your budget, and right here you actually do go on to inserting about, let me say, $30 for per day right here, which is actually the minimum. And if I do put in that right here for the total campaign budget, I'm going to just simply put in something I want to use to run this particular campaign till the end right now. So supposing I want to just simply run my campaign for maybe 7 days right now, and I want to just simply go into using $30 each day, I'm going to just simply multiply 30 times 7, which is actually $210 right now. So once that is done, you want to select the targeting platform right here. I want to target both mobile and desktop devices right now. So for the OS, you want to target all kinds of OS, which is the Windows, the Android, and the Mac OS. So right here, you want to just simply scroll through, select the interest, which is kind of giveaway. It's not gender specific or age specific, so you could leave that as it is. And you want to then just simply come onto a particular camp and creative section. Now this creative section is actually going to determine how your ad is going to look like. So right here, I'm going to just simply go into inserting something like a title right here, and I'm going to just simply use a similar title as you can actually do see right here on CPA Grip. Maybe for this particular offer right here, I'm just going to grab this right now, and if I do head back to Propeller Ads, I'm going to paste in that right now. I'm going to also edit this to my preference, so you can see how cool this actually looks right now. For the description, I'm going to copy this right now. Once I copy that, head back to Propeller Ads and also paste that in right here. I'm just going to go on to reducing this particular text because I've exceeded the maximum amount of text which I can actually do use. So right now this actually looks quite okay. I'm going to head back to CPA Grip, download this particular image by saving the image on my device. Once I do save that, head back to Propeller Ads and add that image right here. So once I do add the image, I'm going to select this section only, click on crop, and do similar thing for the landscape right now. So if I do right now for the landscape, I'm going to select this entire section, and once I'm done, I'm going to click on crop also, and you can actually do see the preview of how the ad is actually going to look like for Android devices, for the Windows devices, and also for the Mac OS devices. So what you want to do next is to actually go on to adding more creatives. You want to add at least 4 creatives, because the increasing amount of creatives actually do go on to increasing your chances of getting better conversions to this particular offers right now. So once you actually do this, add at least 4 creatives, and each creative should have a different text combination from the previous. They should actually do have a different image which was actually used, and some cool stuff right there that actually helps you to get better conversions. So once you're done, actually agree to the terms of service by actually declaring and guarantee that your campaign meets the quality guideline before starting the campaign on this particular platform. And the cool thing about this is that you don't need to go on to be checking this. This is actually going to be running for you on autopilot and driving traffic to your CPA marketing offer, and you do get paid some cool affiliate commission. And I do hope this video was of help. If yes, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ensure your notification bell is always turned on all. See you all in my next video. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.